Welcome to Discovering Haven Well, where we provide valuable tips and advice on personal development and finance. Welcome to Lesson 3 of our series on investing. In the previous lessons, we have covered budgeting and saving. In today's lesson, we will discuss how to make smart investment decisions. Making smart investment decisions requires careful planning, research, and analysis. It is not just about picking the hottest stocks or following the latest investment trends. It is about understanding your goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. One of the first things you should consider when making investment decisions is your financial goals. What are you investing for? Is it for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your children's education? Your investment goals will dictate the type of investments you should make and the level of risk you can tolerate. The next thing to consider is your risk tolerance. How much risk are you willing to take? Are you comfortable with volatile investments that can have high returns but also high losses, or do you prefer more stable investments with lower returns? Your risk tolerance will also determine your investment strategy. Another important factor to consider when making investment decisions is your investment horizon. How long do you plan to hold your investments? Short-term investments are usually more volatile, while long-term investments tend to be more stable. Your investment horizon will affect the types of investments you should make. Finally, it is essential to do your research and analysis before making investment decisions. This includes analyzing the financial performance of the companies you are considering investing in, understanding the economic and market trends, and evaluating the risks associated with different types of investments. To summarize, making smart investment decisions requires careful planning, research, and analysis. You should consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, investment horizon, and do your research before making investment decisions. That's it for today's lesson. Join us next time as we discuss managing debt. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.